My name is Steve Whiting, and I teach in the Business and Economics Department at Bethel. What I love about teaching here is that I get to bring my whole self to the classroom. So one of my favorite Bible verses is Romans 12:2. No longer be conformed to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. That idea of transformation is central to how I like to teach, and not only how I like to teach, but how I like to see students start as freshmen, and then in their journey, when they become seniors, seeing that transformation in their knowledge about business, in their knowledge about themselves, and their knowledge about faith. Being able to see their growth in progression, in their overall business knowledge, and in their competence and their confidence in being able to present and in being able to figure out what they want to do in the business world. We work with real-world clients. We'll bring in typically a couple not-for-profit organizations, and these are usually smaller organizations. They just need some help. And this emphasis is really designed to create business consultants that can help businesses use technology to transform their businesses. I'm passionate about this idea of active learning. These classes are giving them, those students, that experience that they need to make a difference in the workplace.